It's about that time. Yeah. You know. Yeah. Word up. Yeah. Word up. Come on. Lights, cameras, action. It's on. Straight out the gate with another hot song. Keeping it real though. Gonna last long. Break out the steel toe. Coming mad strong. Bounce if you wanna. Lounge or play the corner. New York. Talking that gangster talk. Putting that money in the bank like the teller. And this be the #1 rank. Let me tell ya.
Smooth. More than I ever seen him look as I flip the vibe book. He's on the front page. Never looking his age. He's all back. And I'm more less. So let the games begin. Now I'ma give you something so you can get into it. I got the side view so I can watch you do it. You've been on my mind, but you're so hard to let's do this one-on-one. Yeah, I wanna play that game. You and me, baby, one-on-one.
Freedom of jail, clips inserted. Our babies being born, same time my man is murdered. The beginning and end. As far as rap goes, it's only natural. I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, the times have changed. Actually now I'm the artist. For hardcore, my signs of pain. I spit heaven and hell, rap legends, presence is felt. And of course, NAS are the letters that spell.